Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is an interesting little problem that is rising, and we're not totally sure if it's related to the operating system. It does seem like it, and there is some form of acknowledgement by Microsoft about it. It seems that Windows 11 is crippling the solid-state drive speeds, and it depends on the brand of your SSD. Some actually report on some Samsung drives up to 4 times slower drives. On some, it's very barely noticeable. It's just slightly slower, but not by much. And the only way that these people have seen this difference is by testing speeds in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So if you have a solid-state drive, and you can check that out by right-clicking on the Start menu in Windows 11 and going into the Task Manager, and to Performance, you will see that it says either SSD or HDD. HDD is an old hard drive, an old magnetic hard drive with platters and a read-write head. But SSD is, of course, a solid-state drive. Now, I cannot, since I don't dual boot on this machine, I cannot really do tests and see if I have noticed a difference. But I will say that, I play some games, and I play some games that have and require a lot of disk, loading of the games and so on. The games themselves, when they're running fine, but what I have noticed maybe is how slow the SSD could be sometimes when trying to get information. I'm not sure if it's related to that, or it's just because the games are so bloated today that it just takes the time it takes to actually load them up in memory. But if you are using a solid-state drive, and by the way, if you are dual booting Windows 10, Windows 11, do speed tests, download some of those speed test programs that test the read-write speeds of your drives, and check it out. You might see that there's a problem. Now, the acknowledgement comes from somebody that on Reddit apparently says that he is in the file system team, and that they are actually investigating the problem, which would tend to say, okay, something might be related to the file system or the way that Windows 11 handles the file system on your hard drive. So if you kind of notice that maybe the hard drive speeds and the activity of your hard drive is not as fast as it could be, well, it possibly could be related to the fact that there's this bug, apparently. So, of course, no other news, no moment or date or when this could be fixed, but that means that if you do have this issue, it will be interesting to see when it will be fixed in some of the big bug fixing updates that coming up every month. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.